Okay, question number 32. A cylindrical wire has a cross-sectional area A, number of free electrons, density is N, the wire has a current I and free electrons have drift speed V. Which question is this? This is in drift velocity. What is the expression? I is equal to NEA into V. Okay. A second cylindrical wire has a cross-sectional area 0.5 A. Okay, which means what? You will take I1, the new current will now be equal to cross-sectional area 0.5 A. We will write down 0.5 A. Instead of area, I will write like this. Number density to be 2n. Electronic charge cannot change. It should be E only. And then drift velocity to be 2V. What is he asking? What is the current in the second wire? So multiply all this. What do I get here? I get this 2n. Okay, I will write down here. It should be n. 2 into 0.5 is 1. NEA into 2V, which should be equal to 2 times NEAV, which should be equal to 2 current I. Okay, 2 times I current. So which is answer C over here. Okay.